Hey everyone, Nick here with Shift Mechanics. Before we dive into diversifying income streams, let's talk about the importance of having a stable day job. For me, that means working in a biomedical laboratory. It's my primary career and provides a steady income, which is essential for financial stability. Many people say, follow your passion, but I believe that's not always the best advice. Instead, I chose to follow my interests. My career in the biomedical field has significant growth potential as the field continues to evolve, and the complexity of life keeps me thinking about all the possibilities for future developments like genomic medicine. That's why I pursued it. Now, don't get me wrong, being a mechanic isn't a bad plan either. In fact, I chose it as a backup in case my biomedical career didn't work out. Additionally, it helped me save on repairs and maintenance for my own cars while attending college. But now I see how I can combine both interests to dramatically increase my earning potential. I recommend you think about how you could do the same. Now let's explore how to diversify your income streams. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone in business. Thinking about starting one, looking to make a side hustle, trying to get rich, like me, or aiming to advance their career by learning new skills. Diversifying your income streams is what's going to help you either way. As a mobile mechanic, your primary income comes from regular repair jobs. Whether it's brake work, engine diagnostics, or oil changes, these tasks are the core of your business. However, relying only on these can limit your growth, especially when aiming to expand and improve your financial standing. That's why diversifying your income streams is crucial. One of the ways I'm diversifying my income is by creating content online. You already know about my YouTube channel, Shift Mechanics, where I teach other mobile mechanics, share my experiences, and help the community. The reality is I'm not making any money from this channel yet. As I've barely planted this seed, what I've done is added some affiliate links to products like tools and automotive gear. And if you buy through them, I get a small commission. This is something anyone can do with any other social media platform that allows you to share links to Amazon products. You just have to sign up for an Amazon affiliate account. Although don't expect it to be like a sudden cash hydrant, as this is a long-term project that you have to feed over time. So right now that money is more of a trickle, maybe a few cents or $1 here and there. It's not a lot yet, and you're going to see that all of these suggestions are for the long game. Here's another plan, one that can piggyback off the Amazon affiliate partnership. Becoming an Amazon influencer, or any type of influencer, is an opportunity for those who want to create something once and have it generate income continuously over time, almost like a money mill. The more content you produce, the more opportunities you create to earn income as it builds and grows over time if the content is valuable and reaches an audience. Simply creating content isn't enough though. It must resonate with people, provide value, and attract engagement. Without consistent effort to produce quality content, build an audience, and adapt to trends, the money mill concept won't work. If it works out though, I can curate lists of tools, products, and equipment that I actually use and recommend, such as the tools I have linked below in the video description, and then I get paid when you check them out or buy them. Just like with my YouTube channel, it takes time to build up that influence, and then I may get the opportunity to make an additional income stream that way. Building steady income streams won't happen overnight. When it does start, it might just be a few bucks here and there. But as I grow my channel, grow my portfolios, get more views, and gain more trust and save more money, that income will start to build. It's a long game. Playing the long game means embracing patience and persistence, knowing that the work I do today will compound over time. Every effort I make, every skill I sharpen, and every opportunity I seize builds a foundation, not just for my success, but for my family's future and the generational wealth that will follow. The real payoff isn't immediate, it's the legacy I create through consistent, intentional action. Gap 3S. Freelancing is another excellent way to diversify your income. Whether it's offering your skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, freelancing can provide a flexible and lucrative income stream. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, programming, or even consulting. The key is to identify your strengths and market them effectively. Over time, as you build a reputation, you can increase your rates and attract more clients. This one is just like my mobile mechanic business, but for you graphics nerds out there, and you can tell I desperately need someone that can do this, as Nvidia will end up not cutting it for the quality I have to bring to you folks, my audience. Investing in stocks is a popular way to diversify income. By purchasing shares in companies, you can earn dividends and benefit from the appreciation of stock prices. It's essential to do thorough research and consider long-term investments. Diversifying your portfolio across different sectors can also help mitigate risks. Remember, investing in stocks requires patience and a good understanding of the market. Stocks can be a volatile but rewarding addition to your income streams. Start by researching industries you're interested in and look at the financial health of companies within those sectors. Keep in mind that the stock market can fluctuate, so it's crucial to stay informed and make educated decisions. If you're new to investing, consider using reliable resources and perhaps even consulting with a financial advisor to help you get started. Over time, as you become more familiar with market trends and investment strategies, you can make more confident decisions and potentially see substantial returns on your investments. By integrating stock investments into your diversified income plan, you can create a more robust and resilient financial future. How I've started investing is by opening my own private investment account, where I set it to automatically withdraw $25 from my bank account every week and have it invest into the S&P 500. I have a bad habit of spending all of my money in my accounts, and investing it this way keeps me from being able to spend it easily, but still possibly liquid if I have an emergency come up. There are many companies out there that you may use. Just do your research into which one is best for you. Just like with any other income stream, consistency and knowledge are key. Real estate is another viable option for diversifying income. You can invest in rental properties, commercial real estate, or even real estate investment trusts, REITs. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income, while commercial real estate can offer higher returns. It's crucial to understand the market and manage properties effectively to maximize your earnings. Investing in rental properties involves purchasing residential homes or apartments and renting them out to tenants. This can create a consistent monthly income. However, being a landlord comes with responsibilities like maintenance, tenant management, and handling any legal issues that may arise. Maybe you have those skill sets, or you're willing to learn like I am. Just remember to set it up like an LLC that you've entrusted the properties to, so that none of your personal money gets tied up if litigation ever comes to you from a tenant. Commercial real estate, on the other hand, involves investing in office buildings, retail spaces, or industrial properties. These investments can be more lucrative, but typically require more capital and a deeper understanding of the market dynamics. If managing properties isn't your forte, consider investing in REITs. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate across various sectors. Investing in REITs allows you to earn a share of the income produced through real estate without having to buy, manage, or finance any properties yourself. Real estate can be a stable and rewarding addition to your diversified income streams. It's important to do thorough research, understand the risks, and plan your investments wisely. Just like with stocks, patience and knowledge are key to success in real estate investments. Creating an online course is a fantastic way to share your knowledge and earn money. This is kind of what I'm doing with this channel, but it feels too scammy for me, as I don't think I'm good enough at anything to be a teacher. But if you have those skills, I say go for it. Just be sure you're doing it for the reason to help other people and not run them for their money. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on various topics. Whether it's teaching a skill, sharing industry insights, or providing training, online courses can generate significant income over time. The key is to create high-quality content and market it effectively to reach a broad audience. Start by identifying a topic you are passionate about and have expertise in. Plan your course structure, create engaging video lessons, and include supporting materials like quizzes and assignments. High-quality production values can make a big difference, so invest in a good microphone, camera, and editing software. Once your course is ready, the next step is marketing. Utilize social media, email newsletters, and collaborations with influencers to spread the word. Offering a free preview or a limited time discount can attract more students initially and generate positive reviews. Creating an online course not only provides a potential income stream, but also establishes you as an authority in your field. It's an investment of time and effort that can pay off significantly in the long run. E-commerce is a booming industry, and starting an online store can be a lucrative way to diversify your income. You can sell products through platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy. Whether it's handmade crafts, digital products, or dropshipping, e-commerce offers endless possibilities. The first step is to identify a niche that you're passionate about or that has a proven market demand. For a short time, I was about to get into 3D printing before I started my mobile mechanic business, but after playing around in Blender and then ordering a small resin printer that has carbon filters, I realized they still stink too much for my small living situation. However, once you've found your niche, the next step is sourcing quality products. This could involve creating your own items, finding suppliers, or partnering with manufacturers for drop shipping. After setting up your store, effective marketing is crucial to attract customers. Advertising is another beast though, and I personally hate having to do this unless it's handing someone my card or offering to help them out. Utilize social media platforms, email marketing, and search engine optimization to drive traffic to your site. Offering promotions, discounts, and excellent customer service can help build a loyal customer base. Starting an e-commerce business requires dedication and effort, but it can be a highly rewarding venture. With the right approach, you can turn your online store into a significant source of income. Offering consulting services is another excellent way to diversify your income. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can provide consulting services to businesses or individuals. This can include business strategy, marketing, financial planning, or any other area where you have specialized knowledge. Consulting can be highly profitable and allows you to leverage your skills to help others succeed. The first step to becoming a consultant is to identify your niche and define the services you can offer. Create a portfolio showcasing your experience and success stories. Networking is crucial, so make sure to connect with potential clients through LinkedIn, industry events, and professional organizations. Building a strong online presence through a website, blog, or social media can also attract clients. Once you have clients, focus on delivering exceptional value. This not only helps your clients succeed, but also builds your reputation and can lead to referrals and repeat business. Over time, you can expand your consulting services, offer workshops, or even create a consulting agency. Consulting offers the flexibility to work on your own terms and can be a fulfilling way to share your knowledge while generating additional income. With the right approach, consulting can become a significant and rewarding part of your income diversification strategy. The key takeaway is diversifying your income isn't about getting rich quick, it's about creating something that can pay off in the long run. Whether you're a mechanic, an entrepreneur, or anyone with a skill to share, there are opportunities to expand. Remember, consistency is key, stick with it, and things will start to grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Nick from Grave Shift Mechanics, and I'll see you next time.